friends. I miss you very much. Today we are going to read the book The Shape of Things. The Shape of Things. What do you see? What shape do you see in front of this cover? That's right. You see a square. The house is shaped like a square. And so are the windows. The windows are shaped like squares too. This is our front cover. This is our back cover. And this is our spine. Who writes the words in our book? Yes, the author writes the words in our book. And who draws the pictures? The illustrator draws the pictures. The Shape of Things is the title. A square is just a square until you add a roof, 2 windows, and a door. Then it's much, much more. A circle is just a circle until you add some lights. Chairs high and low, round and round they go. A triangle's just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky, a seagull passing by. What did he make there? Sailboat. A rectangle's just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a track, a red caboose and back. Made a train. An oval's just an oval until you add a nest, a wooden house, and then a patient mother hen. A diamond's just a diamond until you add some string, wind in the tail, some friends to help it sail. Now friends, they called this a diamond, but what do mathematicians call this shape? Do you remember? We don't say diamond. What do we say this shape is? That's right, it is a rhombus. Mathematicians call it a rhombus. But it also looks like a kite when they added the string. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see all these shapes. They made many pictures and things out of these shapes. A shape of things. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? I see a circle, a rhombus, a triangle. There's many shapes. An oval, a rectangle. The tiles are little shapes of rectangles. So is this. This is a rectangle. The end. Today, friends, I wanted to introduce a new letter to you today. And our friend who loves letters is here today. Who is this? Lila. Lila is here to introduce us to our new letter. Lila, what is our new letter today? Let's see. X. It is X, friends. X says X, like X-ray and xylophone. Now, friends, Mr. Sybil had a hard time coming up with letters that start with words that start with the letter X. Maybe you can find more words to come up with that start with the letter X. But the X says X, like X-ray and xylophone. Now, how we write X? This is uppercase X and this is lowercase x. And do we use lines or curves to write X? That's right, we use lines to write X. And these are slanted lines. So take your pointer finger and write with me. Let's try to write it. So let's write uppercase X. So you're going to do a slanted big line down, then a slanted big line down again. That's X. X says X. And just the same way with the little x, you're going to do a slanted little line. So slanted little line down, then a slanted little line down. That says X. X says X. today for our connect, I want us to do a pattern. Since we talked about shapes in our book, I want us to do a pattern using our pattern pentagrams. So, if you can see this, what would our pattern be here? Let's see. We call this, what again? What shape is this? Do we call this a diamond? No. We call it a rhombus. So our pattern here is rhombus, rhombus. What's this shape? Can you see that shape? Trapezoid. So it goes rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid. Rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid. Rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid. So I have my pieces here. So rhombus, rhombus, and trapezoid. That's our pattern. And remember, we use our sticks to let us know where our unit stops, where our unit stops, and then where it starts back up. So rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid, and then it starts again. Rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid, and I put my stick here again so I know that my unit stops right there. And there we go. Rhombus, rhombus, trapezoid. That's our first pattern. Let's do another pattern. What shape is this? What shape is this? That's right, it is a hexagon. And then we have square. Hexagon, square, hexagon, square. Let's do our next pattern. Hexagon, square, hexagon. Then put my stick there. Just know that marks our first unit. And then we do our pattern again. Square, hexagon, square. Now if I put my stick here, what would come after the square? That's right, a hexagon. Hexagon, then what? Square. Then hexagon. Alright? Alright friends, see you next time. Bye.